Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since the last nating vlog, and today is one of our happiest days kasi today is closing day ng aming kung para saan ang closing day. So we are so happy and blessed kasi magkakaroon ng sariling bahay. I-share ko sa inyo yung lupa. And today imimit namin yung aming realtor kasi magpipirmahan kami at saka magpo-final walkthrough. Si Mami ng bahay, si Mami and we are in baby blue. Let's go, let's go. Peace, peace, peace. Mommy's happy, Pelpel is happy too. Bye. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Yay, Pelpel! So, yun na nga guys. Dito na po kami. Ang ganda naman nun. Ang ganda no? Oo. Ano yun eh, yung hydrogen niya ba yun? Are you happy? Happy yan si Pelpel. Daddy's happy. Let's go here. Right, today is our final walkthrough.
One hour later.
Like 13 minutes away.
See you.
The alarm system, set it up.
We're going to do a ring because we have a ring subscription
ring.
already.
Oh man, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, cool beans, all right.
All right, thank
Let's do
you.
it. Yeah, I'll see you soon.
See ya.
Pelpel.
I'll be
Careful lang.
yes.
A few moments later.
So we're done with the signing of documents. We're so happy. We're so happy. Pelpel is happy. Pelpel has the keys. Our house. Yan. Welcome sa bahay. Mami. Welcome sa aming home. Si Pelpel. Smile. Say hi. Hi. Video ni Daddy ang ano natin.